Hey guys, welcome back to Craftsmas. In today's video, I'm going to be making mini hot chocolates for my dolls. So let's get to it. So, the size of your hot chocolate depends on your doll. So I'm using a Shopee doll. Here it is. And so that means I'm gonna make it like a centimeter tall. So for this craft, you'll need paper and paint. That's pretty much it. So and glue. So first what you want to do is, and hot glue. So for this craft, you'll need glue, like glue stick, hot glue, paint, and paper. So first, it depends on your doll you're doing it for. I think Barbie's size is like 1 inch, while Shopee size, not a centimeter, maybe like 2 centimeters would be good. So basically you just cut a strip and it's 2 centimeters tall. Now what you're going to do is roll it . Okay, so I finished rolling it. Here it is. Now I'm gonna glue it. Okay, so I'm gonna trim it down a bit just because it's a bit too big. Okay, now what we're gonna do is cut out the bottom. So like, see how it's hollow? You wanna cut out a bottom piece. Okay, so Then you're going to glue it to the bottom. You can do this with hot glue or glue stick. I think hot glue would be actually better because the glue stick's not really sticking. So you make the handle is you cut a strip like this. Fold it in half once more. And then you have to glue it. Fold it in half again. Then basically, so it's like this. Fold these ends in, but leave this end curved. Then overlap these, and then you have a little handle. Now you have to glue it. I have to hot glue the handle. Okay, so here's my glue gun. Okay, give it a few minutes or seconds to dry. In the meantime, you can like touch it up a little. Okay, now what I'm going to do is with my hot glue gun, I want to like fill up the inside with glue. So be careful. Give it a few minutes to dry. So I'm getting little drops with your hot glue. Just like that. And now we have to let it dry again. When it's dry, I'm gonna start painting it. So I have some brown paint, which I'm gonna put right here. Just don't need that much. I'm gonna mix it with a bit of white, like a tiny bit of white, just because it's a little bit too dark. And then Alright, so here it is. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You can only paint the outside to make it like look nicer. Yeah, that's the end of this video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.